If you are looking to create a healthy budget, there are going to be a few questions that you need to ask yourself each and every single month to ensure you are taking the right steps and are progressing in your finances. This can be very challenging because we are so busy in our everyday lives, whether that is going to work and working very, very hard and coming home and just wanting to relax, or if you have children and you're wanting to take care of them and be supportive of them, or you are just trying to figure out things and just manage your money better. You are just so busy with so many different issues and circumstances. But these 5 questions are going to really, really help you when you review your budget. All right, so the first question is going to be, what are 3 things that you spent your money on this month that you really regret? Now, this question really challenges us because, one, we have to actually look back through our bills and through our statements and see, dang, I spent this. Why did I even buy this? So it really makes us back check and keeps us aware of what we're spending our money on. Now, for the majority of people that I work with, food is a big one. It's a really, really big one. Like having food delivered. It's just because you're lazy, you want the convenience of someone bringing your food, or just eating out, spending money, grabbing good food. Like I love good food too, so I totally understand. But yes, review and look through your budget and see and write down 3 things that you regret paying for. All right, so the second question is going to be, what is one thing that I can do next month that will add to my income column? All right. This is a big one because not only are we trying to see some things that we made some mistakes on, but how can we really get better, right? If we are thinking of ways to add to our income column, okay, now we're looking at our options. We're looking at some potential side hustles. What am I good at? We're looking at, can I just go and Uber for a few days and get some extra income? What can I do to really add to my income so I'm not so stressed about having money come in? Can I create my own business? Can I do an online course? What can I do to really add some more money to my pot? If you're finding some value out of this video, be sure to hit the like button, as it will alert YouTube that I'm making some good content and some helpful content. And what they're going to do is they're going to share it with other people so that they can get help with their budgeting, money management, and finance and growth as well. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you know exactly when I post. I will be continuing to make content dedicated to helping you with your budget, your finance, and helping you grow just every day. I do appreciate your support, and let's get back into the video. All right, so moving on to the third question that we can ask ourselves when we're reviewing our budget is, what is 3 things that I can remove from my budget today that will actually free up some cash? This is a huge one because we're always looking to maybe save money or to have a little extra cash to invest or put towards our emergency fund, whatever it may be. So what can I take out? And we're specifically looking at things that really won't hurt us. So I'm not saying take food out of your budget or take your place of stay out of your budget, right? That's going to free up a lot of money, but you're going to be homeless. So we don't want to do that. We want to focus on things that are really not going to affect us that much. It can be something as little as maybe a Hulu subscription. Say you pay $10 a month for Hulu. Well, if you do that, that's over a year's period of time. It's $120. There are so many different things. So if you can remove 3 of those, that amount of money starts to add up. So just finding little ways and little things that you can do to free up some cash to really put toward some of your other financial goals. Now, the next question is for those who really love to have a good time and go out with their friends or family or whoever it may be, teens, 20s, 30s, whoever. How much money did I spend going out this weekend? And so this is a big one, and it's kind of a reality check. I know when I go out with my friends, which I don't do as much now, but I used to a whole bunch, as I would go, we'll go to the club, we would get drinks, we would swipe our card, do whatever. And at the end of the weekend, I wouldn't know how much I spent, and just know I had a good time. I would go out to lunch with a friend on Sunday. Saturday was definitely party night, so who was out in the club getting drinks? Cool. Friday, that was kind of like the warm up. You may do a kickback, you may bring some alcohol to the function, whatever it may be. So at the end of that 3-day time, how much money did I actually spend? This is once you visually see the number, you're like, okay, if I keep doing this, what track am I on? And you also will see that sometimes it really varies. So you want to make sure that you have what you're spending. First of all, you know what you're spending. Then you're able to maybe come up with, okay, I'm only going to spend $100 a weekend on going out. So once I reach that limit, it's cut off. I am saying no to all other encounters. So realizing those numbers is very crucial in order to make sure that you are sticking to your budget. All right, so question number 5 is going to be, did I meet my savings goal for the month? Now, this one is huge because it actually challenges you to make sure that you know what your savings goal is. So if you don't have a savings goal, write down a number that would make you feel comfortable to have in your savings account. Once you have that number, let's just say it's $1,200. Then you can break that goal up into months. So that means I just need to have $100 saved every month, and I'll reach my goal by the end. So then you break that up in 2 weeks, right? 4 weeks, how many ever weeks is in that month? Well, I know I need to put $25 a week to be able to reach that savings goal. You can even be anal and break it up into day. All right, so 25 divided by 7 days. I know I need to be putting, about $3 and some change in there every single day to make sure that I reach my savings goal. So this really challenges you to make sure that you are sticking to your goals, and you're reviewing your goals and making changes as necessary. And you can even go further and ask yourself a 6th question. You can ask yourself, have I had someone back check my budget to ensure that I am following it and that it is actually working and that I am not missing anything? Now, if you know the answer to that question is no, I do work with individuals one-on-one to make sure that their budget is working. I can even help coach them and show them some ways that they can really improve their budget, as well as adding to their income column and decreasing some of those expenses. If this sounds awesome to you, I will put the link to the budget program and the budget reviews down in the description bar below. That is all I have for you all today. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop it in the comment section below or to DM me on my social media platforms at _Coach James. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Y'all have a good day.